Prime Minister Narendra Modi warns that India is capable of giving the fighting reply whatever the situation may be, given as the nation mourns brave hearts of the India-China clash. In the past 24 hours, the state received thrice the normal rainfall. Heavy rains expected in next few days. Agricultural activities in Chikalim came alive with the active participation of the village youth on Wednesday as they took the first step to cultivate paddy. The All India Football Federation to recommend legendary footballer I.M. Vijayan for Padma Shri Award. Hi, this is Clinton D'Souza and now the news in detail. Goa could receive heavy or very heavy rainfall in the next few days. In the past 24 hours, the state has received thrice the normal rainfall at this time. 137 mm of rainfall as compared to normal 43 mm. The reason? A circulation over the North Konkan region. In fact, from the 1st of June till the 17th of June, Goa received 736 mm of rain as compared to the normal of 443 mm.
IMD scientist based in Panji, Rahul M, said winds will continue to be strong even after the 18th of June, even though the rains may peter out.
The state average rainfall over Goa for the past 24 hours is 137.2 mm, whereas the normal state average rainfall for past 24 hours is around 43 mm. Cumulative value of state average rainfall, that means from the beginning of the season, 1st of June to 17th of June, the state average cumulative total rainfall over Goa is around 736 mm, whereas the normal value of rainfall for this period is 443 mm. In the past 24 hours that ended at 8:30 am of today morning, most of the stations in Goa has received either heavy rainfall or rainfall higher than that. Among that, the highest rainfall was reported at Old Goa, which was around 19 centimeters in past 24 hours, and Panaji reported about 15 centimeters of rainfall. Then there was Sankaling, which reported almost 17 centimeters of rainfall. Most of the stations reported either 10 centimeter or higher than that. Now the reason for this increase in rainfall is basically due to a circulation that is over North Konkan, and that is increasing the monsoon activity over Goa region. So that particular system called circulation today also persists, and as on today, that is on 17th of June, it is still over North Konkan, but its intensity has slightly increased. With the presence of that system, there is still probability of rainfall, that means rainfall of the order of heavy or very heavy rainfall is still there over Goa. So with that probability, IMD Goa has issued very heavy rainfall, that means rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. That very heavy rainfall warning has been issued over Goa for today as well as on tomorrow, that is 17th and 18th of June. Now regarding the fishermen warning, these 2 days, that is on 17th and 18th of June, wind speed will be of the order of 40 to 50 km along and off the coast of Goa and Maharashtra, as well as up to Kerala and Karnataka also. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea for these 2 days, 17 and 18. Seasonal cumulative total also, Goa has received around 66% higher than its normal value.
Goa received heavy showers on Wednesday. Streets in the capital get waterlogged, especially when there is high tide in River Mandovi. For the last 2 days, Goa received some heavy showers accompanied by strong wind. Water from Altinu comes cascading downhill, flooding the streets. In Margaon too, many places were inundated after heavy showers lashed the town.
म्हाका कळ्ळें की पणजे बुडले म्हणून सगळे बुडले म्हणटच हांवें हांगा खबर काडली पयल्यार आमचे हांगा स्टाफ आमचे कोण सगळे जाण खंयच वचून हांगा सुशेगाद रावल्या पूण हांव आयलो हांगा आमच्या इंजिनियरांक घेतले आनी पयलो गेलो मिनीस ब्रांकांत त्या रोडाचेर हेडक्वॉर्टर्स त्या रोडार थंय इतके बुडनासले केन्ना फर्स्ट टायम थंय बुडले हाय टायड आसता तेन्ना कोणूच पणजेक सारवार करूंक शकना जेन्ना दर्याचें उदक एक आनी आमचे तेन्ना कोण कर पूण मागीर 12:30 उपरांत जेन्ना हाय टायड हळू देंवलो एकाक देंवलो तेन्ना हें उदकूय गेलें म्हळ्यार एकदां उदक भरल्या उपरांत 2 दीस उरतालें काल पयला तुमी उदक भरलें पूण रोखडेंच ड्रेन आवट जालें पळय 18 रोडार आमी एक कितें आसलें फिदाल्को कडल्यान एक ड्रेन ती जावंक जाय भायर दर्या कडेन पर्यंत एक आमची युके टेरेसान केल्ली आमी सारकी म्हणजे पुलीस हेडक्वॉर्टर्सान ती सारकी फेरीबोटी कडेन पर्यंत ती पावूंक जाय. एक आमचे हिंदू फार्मासी कडल्यान थंय एक व्हडली ड्रेनीज जावंक जाय. ह्यो ड्रेनी पयलींच्यो आतां सगळ्यो सारक्यो करूंक जाय. त्यो व्हडल्यो ड्रेनी त्यो सारक्यो करून जर जायत न्ही हो प्रॉब्लेम सगळो सॉल्व.
डिसिल्टिंगाची जी ऑर्डर आशिल्ली डीएमीन ती काल सायन मारलेली आसा आनी ती आमकां धाडली तेणी. फाल्यां आमी ऑर्डर काडटले आनी आमचें रोखडें काम स्टार्ट जातलें. चडांत चड वॉर्डांनी अशे जे मेजर ब्लॉक्स आसा ते आमचे म्युन्सिपालिटी लेबर्स काम करताले आनी तेंच्यांनी काडला. आनी व्हडले जे कितें आसा ते आतां डिसिल्टिंगाच्या हितून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर काम करून घेतले.
Amar Chaurya and Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 65 from Panji and Margaon.
The government's lack of any pre-monsoon planning for Bicholim town and surrounding areas can lead to floods in these areas, fears former Bicholim MLA Naresh Sawal. However, the present MLA and the Speaker Rajesh Patnekar says that government has already made arrangements. But he also admits that the state officials have not conducted any work of the Tilari water canals. Most of the parts of the Bicholim Taluka were affected by the floods due to the release of water from Tilari Dam last year. Naresh Sawal, during his tenure, he used to do pre-monsoon planning for Bicholim and surrounding areas with the government officials. However, the planning did not happen for the last 2 years, and this led to flooding near the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ground in Bicholim. The situation could get worse this time, while Rajesh Patnekar said all kinds of precautions have been taken after convening a meeting with the officials.
During my tenure, I used to call all the government officers before monsoon आणि फ्युचरचे सगळे ऑफिसर म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रिक डिपार्टमेंट असो, म्युन्सिपालिटी असो, PWD असो, हेल्थ किंवा बाकीचे WRD किंवा बाकीचे इतर सगळ्यांक घेऊन बसून मॉन्सून पयलीं आमी सगळी तयारी करतात. पूण आतां पळयल्यार गेल्या 2-3 वर्सां अशा प्रकारची तयारी जाल्ली हांवें काय पळोवंक ना. आनी ताका लागून पयल्याच पावसाक म्युन्सिपालिटीन गटरां थोडीशीं काडल्या, म्हटल्यार ज्या पद्दतीन गटरां क्लीन जावपाक जाय अप टू द एंड क्लीन जावपाक जाय ती केली ना. म्हणून पयल्याच पावसाक छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज मैदाना कडेन उदक भरलें. आतां पावस बरोच पडपाचो आसा, अजून कांय जावंक ना, ही सुरवात आसा. समजा जर सगळें वेवस्थीत जर क्लीन केल्लें ना जाल्यार उदक भरपाक शकता. एक्चुली ही जबाबदारी म्युन्सिपालिटीची आनी जो एक्टींग जो MLA आसा पळय तेची ही जबाबदारी. आर्काचेर जो नाला क्लीन करपाक जाय आसतो तो ह्या वर्सा क्लीन करूं ना, गेल्या वर्सा करूं ना. ताका लागून उदक थोडेशें आर्का कडेन येवपाक शकता किंवा लामगांवच्या त्या थोड्या भागान म्हणजे थिएटर किंवा बाकीचो जो भाग आसा इंदिरा मेमोरियल हॉल बी थंय भरपाक शकता.
डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट जे आसा ती मेन जी मिटींग ही टीम मामल्याच्या अंडर ऑलरेडी घेतलेली आसा. आमकां मेन प्रॉब्लेम आसा दुसरें शहर म्हटलें तर मेन हो आपला प्रॉब्लेम आसा पुराचो. एकदा खूप पावस पडलो आणि जर पातळी जर वाढली उदकाची जर उदी एखाद्या वयर जाता बाजार परिसर शांतता हांगा येता. पण डिसिल्टिंग केल्ल्या कारणान जवळ जवळ 10-12 वर्सां पयलीं तेन्ना म्हणजे उदी केन्ना वयर येवंक ना आनी तेन्ना व्हडलोसो काय त्रास जावना. त्याच प्रमाणे म्युन्सिपालिटीन प्रत्येक गटाराची साफसफाई आपापल्या वाड्यार प्रत्येक साफसफाई केल्लेली आसा. आमकां एक फाटल्या वर्सा जो धोको जाल्लो तो शाळांतलो पयल्या फावटी हें अशें घडलें ते जावचें न्ही म्हणून आता ह्या वर्सा WRD डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा ते प्रत्येक दिसा धरणाच्या पातळीची नोंद घेतात आणि रिकॉर्ड जालो रिकॉर्ड मामलेदार ऑफिसान दिलो वयता आणि ही सतर्कता ही सावधगिरी ती अजून घेतलेली आसा.
तिळारी धरणाच्या बद्दल हें आसलें की सारको ना ते कितें विजीट बी केल्या कोणी हांगा गोवाच्या हेंच्यांनी ऑफिसरांनी
अजून विजीट करूंक ना
आनी करपाचें बी कितें आसा
अजून तरी सिच्युएशन येवंक ना. तर म्हाज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आणि तिळारी महाराष्ट्र तिळारी जे आसात जे ऑफिस आसा त्यांचो एका वांगडा संपर्क हो कायम चालू आसता लेवल पळोवपाक.
न्ही गेल्या वर्सा साळान जें उदक आयलें थंयसर कितें करपाचें आसलें तें कितें प्रिकॉशन बी घेतला ह्या वर्सा तुमी
ते कित्याक कोणाची सकाळ अशें कितें घडटलें म्हणून. आनी ह्या वेळाचेर त्या घटने नंतर ह्या वेळाचेर गोवा गव्हर्मेंट सतर्क आहा सावधगिरी बाळगून आसा.
The Sal village of Bicholim constituency was submerged due to the release of the water from the Tilari Dam reservoir. People, along with their domestic animals, were moved to a safe location. However, the affected families have not yet received compensation. Sawal spoke on this issue. Watch.
म्हणजे संकट केन्ना येवपाक शकता, प्रॉब्लेम्स आर बाउंड टू कम. म्हणून सरकारान आपली तयारी सर्व म्हणजे सगळे यंत्रसामुग्री म्हणजे टोटल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर त्यांचे कडेन आसपाक जाय. बिचोलेन संकट अशें बिचोलेनच संकट आसना ते समजा तिळारीचेर फाटले फावटी बिचोलेन पावस पडूंक ना, तिळारीन पावस पडलो आनी तिळारी वयल्यान पावस पडून थंयच्यान उदक आयलें. फाल्यां बिचोलेन समजा व्हडलो पावस पडलो जाल्यार बिचोलेचे सकयल जे गांव आसा तांकां त्रास जावपाक शकता. ज्या लोकांक नुकसान जाल्लें, लोकांच्यो केळी बागायती गेल्या, मागीर लोकांचे शेताचे, पूण काही लोकांक नुकसान जाल्यार काही लोकांक नुकसान भरपाई मेळ्ळ्या, काही लोकांक अजून पर्यंत मेळूंक ना. ती आतां दुसरे म्हणजे गणेश चतुर्थी येवच्या पयलीं मेळप खूब गरजेचें आसा तांच्या खातीर.
It is Mahesh Govekar for Goa 365 in Bicholim. The India-China standoff at LAC Galwan Valley in the eastern Ladakh has escalated. 20 Jawans were martyred during the violent clash between two armies, Indian Army had informed, while 43 casualties were reported at Chinese side, ANI had reported. Amidst rising tension, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has warned that India is capable of giving be-fighting reply, be it any kind of situation. First, one officer and two Jawans were martyred during a violent face-off took place between India and Chinese armies as a part of de-escalation process in Ladakh's Galwan Valley. The tension continued and 17 Indian troops were critically injured in line of duty at the stand-off location. They later scrambled to their injuries. The army is firmly committed to protect the territorial integrity and sovereignty of the nation, and the Indian Army said in a statement. Now Himachal Pradesh has been put on alert over rising tension between China. An alert has also been issued to the districts of Kinnaur and Laos Spiti, which borders China. However, China has blamed India. Chinese mouthpiece Global Times report that the clash took place after Indian troops crossed the border to conduct illegal activities and launch proactive attacks against the Chinese personnel. It has urged restraint from the Indian side. The killing of 20 Indian Jawans has sparked outrage across India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during a press conference with Chief Minister of the state, said, India wants peace, but when instigated, we are capable of giving the be-fighting reply. The sacrifice of Jawans won't go in vain.
हम कभी किसी को भी उकसाते नहीं हैं, लेकिन हम अपने देश की अखंडता और संप्रभुता के साथ समझौता भी नहीं करते हैं. जब भी समय आया है, हमने देश की अखंडता और संप्रभुता की रक्षा करने में अपनी शक्ति का प्रदर्शन किया है. मैं देश को भरोसा दिलाना चाहता हूं, हमारे जवानों का बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा. हमारे लिए भारत की अखंडता और संप्रभुता सर्वोच्च है. भारत शांति चाहता है, लेकिन भारत उकसाने पर हर हाल में यथोचित जवाब देने में सक्षम है.
Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 in Panaji. We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The coronavirus is still taking the entire world by a storm. In the world, cases have crossed to more than 82 lakhs, while in India alone, cases have crossed 3.54 lakhs. Experts feel that the vaccine is said to be only a solution to this pandemic. In the midst of all that glooms, there is some good news. Vaccines developed by the USA's Moderna Incline, Chinese Sinovac Biotech and UK's Oxford AstraZeneca are set to enter late-stage trials in July. A bigger single-day jump of 2,003 3 deaths reported on Wednesday, taking the total death toll to 11,903 people. Total cases have now increased to 3,54,065 people. In Goa, sanitization of some areas is still on watch.
ते झाले 8 दिवसातून आम्ही रिक्वेस्ट करून आज येता फाल्यां येता आज येता फाल्यां येता म्हणून तशें सांगून 8 दीस काडले लास्टान सावे बाबान मातशें प्रेशर लावन केलें सावे थ्रू हे जालें सगळें बेगीन नाजाल्यार जायनाशिल्लें 10 पेशंट मेळ्ळा एका बिल्डिंगे सॅनिटायझेशन करूं ना सील करूं ना कांय ना.
तुम्ही या बिल्डिंगेत राहता का?
हय आमी ह्या बिल्डिंगेंत रावता.
ओके तुमच्या सायडीकच ना?
हय 14 जण रावता 10 जण मेळ्ळा 4 जण सेफ आमी.
A single day jump of around 10,974 COVID-19 cases were reported in India in last 24 hours. Around 2,003 deaths were reported and 6,922 patients have recovered. India has reported nearly 3,54,065 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 1.55 lakh mark. 11,903 deaths were reported and more than 1.86 lakh people have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is still leading. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in a single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 82 lakh mark. 4.46 lakh deaths were reported and more than 43 lakh people and patients have recovered. Here are the worst 5 hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 20.98 lakh cases, followed by Brazil with 8.88 lakh cases, Russia with 5.45 lakh cases. India is 4th worst hit nation with 3.54 lakh cases and UK with 2.96 lakhs cases. It's a Goa 365 Bureau Report. The manhole dug to lay underground power cables in the middle of the road at Bali in Kepe has turned into a death trap for the motorist. The manholes were filled with rainwater. As a result, motorists could not notice, leading to 4 persons meeting with an accident.
The manholes were dug to lay underground cables. Local Santosh Faldesai said many days had passed since these underground cables were laid, but that these manholes were not filled.
जवळजवळ 15 दीस जाले हो केबल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान घातल्यात म्हणजे तितून चड करून रेल्वेच आसतलो आनी 15 दिसांक कोणी तें केलें ना ती खळी इल्ली मोठी जाली आनी कितलेशे जाण आज काल 4 जाण पडले पावस पडटा तें उदक कळना काल 4 जाण पडले कोणा तरी हॉस्पिटलान व्हेला कोणा व्हेला म्हाका राती हांव घराडे आसलो आनी म्हाका कळ्ळें की वयर कितें तरी कोण पडला पळोवपा जाल्यार व्हडली खळी पडल्या जवळ 1 मिटर आनी त्या 1 मिटरा भितर गाडी आयलेले बसतात आज हांवें लेबर हाडून ते सकाळी फुडें म्हाका जवळ 3 वरां लागली करपाक लेबर हाडले म्हाका हें आसलें आनी हांवें तें सगळें आज पुरोवन घेतलें तशें उरलेलें आनी भितर वतले तें आनी लोक पडटले कितलेशे लोक डॅमेज जाला हितून
आनी कांय कळना
कांयच कळना आनी टर्न तो रेल्वेन ब्रीज बांदना तो स्ट्रेट ना ते टर्नार कांयच कळना ह्या वटेन वतना कळना त्या वटेन येतना कळना आज सुद्दां सकाळ फुडें एक पडला मागीर हें अशेंच रेगुलर जर अशें जायत रावलें जाल्यार कितें जातलें हो केबल हाडून घेतलो
गुडकी काम करूं
अर्दकुडी काम केला कांयच फुडें कितें लोकांक तसलें काय ना हें पळयलेंच ना हें एक्चुली रेल्वे प्रशासनान पळोवपाचें ना जाल्यार PWDन पळोवपाचें आतां म्हाका दिसलें म्हणून हांवें आतां तें सकाळ फुडें लेबर हाडून आम्हाला वचून लेबर हाडून तें करून घेतलो ही परिस्थिती कोणाचें पुरून गेलो ना.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Bali.
The sewage pipeline trumped at Kolmarod in Navelim, leading to sewage overflowing onto the roads. This has resulted in smell and lot of inconvenience for the traffic, especially the bikers. There couldn't be inquiry into this, as the local councillor said.
The sewage pipeline burst on Wednesday morning, leading to the sewage water overflowing onto the roads. There are trenches on the middle of the road. Health of locals is at risk due to the sewage water, said local councillor Jafar Budani. He also said that the highway has turned into a death trap due to the potholes. He has demanded that the local MLA should pay attention to the matter.
ब्रिजीचे जे मॅन्युअल आहा न्ही हे हायवेचेर सगळे लीक जावपाक लागले हे राती 11 सुमार म्हाका फोन आयलो तुका ओवरफ्लो जावन सगळे सेवरेजी उदो भायर सरपाक लागल्या सो हांवें पळयलें मागीर येवन राती 11 आयलो आनी झाडां बिडां घालून लोकांक तरी दिसूं म्हणून हांवें हें केलें कळ्ळें न्ही ते उपरांत कित्याक तेजे पयलीं कित्याक सेवरेजी कनेक्शन बेगीन घे लायटी कनेक्शन कट जातलें उदका कनेक्शन कट जातलें बेगीन घे लोकांनी सगळे पयशे घातले उदकान केले भशेन दिसता हें काम बी सारकें जावंक ना हेजेर जाता तितले बेगीन लोकल MLAन सुद्दां एक्शन घेवपाचें आनी ते सुप्रीम कोलमो रोड बागेतारा ऑपोजीट थंय सुद्दां सेवरेजी कनेक्शना लागून ते सगळे केल्ले ते सुद्दां फोंड पडून आतां 2 दीस जाले ते फोंड पडून आहा ना म्हणल्यार 1 फूट भितर गेल्या रस्त्याचेर म्हणजे आमचें काम न्ही सेवरेजीचें तांकां सुद्दां हांवें फोन केलो फोन काडून ना कळ्ळें न्ही आतां जाता तितले बेगीन एक्शन घेवपाचें.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The All India Football Federation has decided to recommend legendary footballer I.M. Vijayan for Padma Shri Award to the Sports Ministry. The former Indian captain Vijayan 51 was the recipient of the Arjuna Award in 2003. A 3-time AIFF Player of the Year, Vijayan is one of the most skillful footballer of the country that has ever produced. The Padma Shri is the 4th highest civilian honor after the Bharat Ratna Padma Bhushan and Padma Bhushan. Vijayan played 79 matches for India between 1992 and 2003 and scored 40 goals. The footballer born former Pro League striker partnership for India alongside Baichung Bhutia and helped the team score several vital goals in the international tournaments. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 in Panaji. The agricultural activity in Chikalim came alive with the active participation of the village youth on Wednesday. The youth took the first step to cultivate paddy. Here's more.
Led by the parish priest, Father Dr. Balmax Pereira, the parish youth of St. Francis Xavier Church of Chikali descended into the local paddy fields to carry out Tombop and Wompop, which means plucking the seedlings and transplanting them. Students ranging from class 7 of Regina Mundi High School to postgraduate students from the Goa University were engaged in the activity the whole day.
काल फादरान आमकां सगळ्या भुरग्यांक एकठांय केलेलो की शेत रोवपा आनी आमी सगळ्यांनी ट्रॅक्टर चलयलेलो आनी म्हाका धाकटे आसतना खुशी जालो की ट्रॅक्टर चलोवपाक आनी आतां हांव ट्रॅक्टर चलोवपाक शिकला.
शेत करपाक तुमकां मजा येता कितें कशें दिसलें तुका चलय
बरें दिसलें.
एनकरेज केलें आमगे फादर गव्हर्मेंटान मुखार यो म्हूण फार्मींग एक्टिविटी कितको जातली चोवपाक सम थोडी यूथ मेळून आमगे फिल्डान गेली चोयलें फार्मींग कितको जातें. इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट हार्डवर्क जायो पेशंस जायो लर्नींग एक्सपिरियन्स आमकां जायत शिकपाक मेळ्ळें थिंगां आनी आतां ड्युरींग आतां कोवीड पेंडेमीक जालो आहा आय थिंक एग्रीकल्चर इज द वे फॉरवर्ड. हांव मागता सगळीं यूथ मुखार येवपाक कित्याक एग्रीकल्चर एक कोर एक्टिविटी एरिया आमकां लागून फादरान जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज पासून जायत आहा हे एरिया सो मातसो यूथ फॉरवर्ड येवपा आनी एक टायम काम करपाक जाता.
हे पासून तर आमच्या गांवांत फुडें तेणी ते पावल मारलें जाल्यार ही शेतां सगळीं रोवपाक जातली. आयज युथान जायते बरेपण माल म्हाका दाखयलो हांवें मागीर तेंचे पाय मागीर आपयले हाड तुमची शेतां पळय आसाय जाल्यार हांव फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट तुमकां पावर टिलर मोकोडे कितें जाता तें करून दिता. कित्याक ती शेतां उत्पन्न जाय जाल्यार आमकां जायतें बरेपण आसा जायतें मेळटलें जेवपाक खावपाक सगळें. आतां जेवण ना आज हें जाल्ले दुयेंसां येयल्ले ताका लागून हें जेवण पासून उणें जालां. आयज तर हे भाशेन युथान तर लॉकडावन आसतना आपले दाखयलें.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Chikali.
Well, with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook at Goa365TV. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Goa365TV and also follow us on Instagram at Goa365TV. Or download the app on both an Android and your iPhones to watch it on mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa 365.